Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the East Bangalore's most exciting upcoming luxury villa communities, Godrej Whitefield Villas, located on the rapidly developing Saukya Road corridor close to Whitefield. So if you are looking for a premium villa that offers space, privacy, modern amenities and excellent connectivity, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's get started. Godrej Whitefield Villa is a premium row villa community spread across approximately 20 acres in one of the East Bangalore's fastest growing residential location. Designed as a low density development, the project offers the perfect balance of luxury, privacy, and nature. The community will feature around 200 to 260 exclusive villas offering spacious 4 and 5 BHK residences with a contemporary architecture and elegant interiors. More than 60% of the project has been dedicated to one green spaces, creating a peaceful environment for residents. Wide internal roads, pedestrian-friendly planning, and thoughtfully designed landscape further enhance the overall living experience. Being developed by Godrej Properties, one of the India's most trusted real estate brand, the project also brings the confidence of quality construction and timely delivery. And now let's talk about the location. So Godrej Whitefield Villas enjoys an excellent location near Whitefield, offering seamless connectivity to major IT hubs, business hubs, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and shopping destinations. The Whitefield IT hub is approximately 15 minutes away, while Kodugodi metro station can be reached in around 15 minutes. ITPL International Tech Park Bangalore is about 20 minutes away from the project, and the Kempegowda International Airport can be conveniently accessed through the upcoming STRR connectivity. Reputed schools, hospitals, malls, and other daily conveniences are also located nearby, making everyday life comfortable and hassle-free. And when it comes to lifestyle, Godrej Whitefield Villa has been thoughtfully designed to offer something for every member of the family. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, multi-purpose hall, landscape community lawns, sports and recreational facilities, and dedicated yoga and wellness spaces. The focus here is on creating a lifestyle that combines luxury, wellness, recreation, and a strong sense of community. And now let's take a look at the villa options. So the project offers spacious 4 BHK villas with a size of approximately 3,500 square feet, starting from around 5.5 crore rupees onwards. For buyers looking for even larger homes, 5 BHK villas will also be available. The size and pricing for these villas will be shared on request, and each villa has been carefully designed with spacious living and dining areas, large bedrooms, premium finishes, private garden space, modern kitchens, excellent natural light, proper ventilation, and efficient layout that maximize both comfort and privacy. The project is currently in its pre-launch phase, and special developer benefit and early buyer offers may be available on selected inventory. During your site visit, you will get a complete walkthrough of the master plan, villa layout, project amenities, pricing, payment plan, and the future investment potential of the development. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.